pit stop for this. Serial number 2. The first one that was sold was number 4, RC. Something. I'm going to slip around to the back. There's another RC up here. I just wanted to see what the plates, no trailer plate. I was wondering what state these came out of. There's a lot of out-of-state plates. They come a long ways for this show, I will say that. Look at how they did that. They ran the PTO shaft through the drive shaft. Can you believe that? Through the drawbar. Can you believe that? See, that was the F20 idea too. They had the PTO drive way up underneath, way up there, but they ran it back through there's a hole in the drawbar, and yeah, I think